Hello, Arindam Chatterjee here. As you know, I prefer to be called as Chats. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Life, where Life stands for Life is for Education. I always loved reading Asterix comics, and many years earlier, my wife presented me with the complete set of Asterix on my birthday. One of the comic books I loved was The Indomitable Gaul. And today, this session is on the indomitable spirit of all of us. We are all going through our extremely troubled times due to the pandemic, coronavirus, COVID-19. World over, lakhs of people are affected. Today being the 29th of May, today's newspaper says, I'm going to focus on India, says there are 1,58,333 COVID-19 cases, 67,692 were discharged, which is a great news, but we have lost 4,531 people. Now this lockdown, we are all in a lockdown from 24th of March midnight. It's been a real troubled time period, but we are indomitable. Our spirits don't die. We are fighting, and we are fighting real hard. Our medical fraternity is working day in and day out to come out with a medicine to fight this deadly virus, and I'm sure it is not long before we will win over the virus. As if that was not enough, Kolkata and neighboring areas on 20th of May was ravaged by a super cyclone Amphan, or Umphun as it is pronounced in Thailand. I was seeing out from my balcony in the evening. Believe me, I could not even see a foot from myself, because it was raining so heavy, the winds so harsh, and we have read in the newspaper, I've seen in the television. In fact, our house, our area was without power for 30 hours. But we were lucky because plenty of places, entire locality was without power, water for 5, 6, 7 days. Plenty of houses were uprooted. I understand there were over 6,000 to 7,000 trees have been uprooted. So were the power cables. But our spirits were indomitable. We fought again there, and we won. We had gone through tremendous troubles. Imagine going without power and water for 5, 6 days. But we really did not give up. So I think what I want to say is, this indomitable spirit of each one of us gives us the strength, gives us the resilience, gives us the courage to face what we cannot control. And I think the best way to face is to face it together. Could be with your family, could be with your friends. Of course, now there's a concept of a social distance, but we can pass on positive news. I've seen plenty of people going out of the way to help. I have also done whatever I could, right? So I think let us all put together, let us all pool in to ensure that our spirit continues to be indomitable. And I always say, all tough times pass. As Dr. Wayne Dyer says in his lovely book, that tough times never last, but tough people do. I'm sure these tough times also will not last. right? And I'm sure we already, after this severe cyclonic storm, in Kolkata and nearby areas have limped back to normalcy. And I'm sure it is not long before we win over this deadly virus COVID-19 as well. So be together. As of now, stay home, stay safe, and God bless all of you. Take care.